So in this video, you'll learn how to install Roblox on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So the first step is to open the Play Store. And then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in Roblox. And then search. You should see it listed in the search results. So tap on it, ensure that it's by ROBLOX Corporation. Then tap on install and wait for it to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been installed, you can tap on play to launch it, or you can go back to the home screen and launch it from there. Once you've done that, you'll then be prompted to sign in. So just log in with your Roblox account. If you don't have one created, then you can just tap on create account and go through this process on how to create your Roblox account. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.